peoples, welcome back to my channel. It's Sandy and I'm back with another video. So I think this time I'm back thoda jaldi. So today I wanted to talk about my favorite and one and only BTS. So like जो लोग मुझे जानते हैं, they know that I am a BTS army, I'm a BTS fan, I love them. So I started following them in the year of 2019. जब लाइक कोविड चल रहा था उसके पहले आई डिड नॉट यूज टू फॉलो लाइक के पॉप एंड एवरीथिंग सो वन फाइन डे इन द लॉकडाउन आई वाज लाइक स्क्रोलिंग एंड सब बीटीएस का कुछ आ गया होगा सो देन आई थॉट इंटरेस्टिंग सो हु आर दीज पीपल आई शुड जस्ट चेक इट आउट सो आई स्टार्टेड like researching and actually RM was the reason that I got into BTS. I loved RM. I just loved RM. I still do. I don't know, matlab, so at that point of time obviously I was like in home and kuch nahi karne ko hota tha, so I got into K-pop, I got into BTS, and obviously like uske baad I'm like a hardcore BTS army, hardcore. So I have been through those typical fans जो वो obsession रहता है BTS का, K-pop का bias रहता है, and you watch if I have some following who are BTS fans, they will be like they will relate to me like kaise like you get through the fandom and everything. But today I'll actually be talking about a thing which is very weird. I don't know ye jo culture hai, I don't know, it is in my opinion I have seen in K-pop industry only. I have not researched all the industries or all the, there are a lot of like J-pop, K-pop, I think C-pop is also there. I don't know if I'm wrong or right. If you know, please correct me in the comment section. So K-pop में there is this obsession thing. I think बहुत ज़्यादा है. I think the K-pop and the Korean fans and everything and the Asian fans, Indian, like I am into like Bollywood and stuff. I have not seen the Bollywood fans to be that obsessed जितना obsession मैंने K-pop या फिर K-idols या फिर even the actors and stuff जो like obsession रहता है. और उस obsession से ही there is this term that have come, that is the sasang. So sasangs are basically like fan, and I don't know if it's fan, it's like they are so obsessed with the stuff. They think that they will be marrying their idols someday, and these idols will be noticing them, and they will have like happily married life and lot. I think मतलब उनके subconscious mind या conscious mind में वो घुस जाता है कि these are idols and we are fans and they owe us, and it's like it's so weird. Like I cannot even define this thing to be honest because मेरे लिए ये बहुत ही weird है. So actually mainly I have, because I'm a BTS fan, so I have encountered a lot of like reportings and also a lot of things कि BTS members have really faced, and it is so weird for me. I mean you are a person, you are a normal human being, like वो हम लोगों की तरह ही है. It is not like they are like कुछ अलग है ऐसा. like ये जो fans ये सब जो obsessed fans हैं उन लोगों को तो कुछ अलग ही like ये like God की तरह शायद देखते हैं. And imagine you just want to live a normal life, and like these people are following you, these people are tracking you, these people are stalking you wherever you are going, these people are trying to get information, sensitive information from you. So they are like BTS members are like they come into lives and stuff. So mainly जो सबसे ज्यादा ये ससेंग बिहेवियर का शिकार है, that is Jungkook. So Jungkook is a golden mark name. He's like very talented, very sweet, and like obviously I also like him. So like Jungkook, literally he was on the live, and like these Sasang fans got his phone number and they were calling him, and he was like begging like please don't call me. He has also said that Sasang fans are in front of his house. They recently all of the members have completed their military service, and they have come back. Like I was like over the top. I was so happy, and finally, like after 21st June, we got this group picture. I also shared on my Instagram. I was so happy. I was so happy. Like I went back to 2020 when I was like, oh my god, like it feels like the old days and stuff. And literally a Chinese woman, I don't know, like the report said she was a Chinese woman. She booked a flight and she went to Jungkook's house with suitcases and stuff, and she was waiting there. Like like Jungkook will be welcoming her. I'm like, what? Like you don't have a life, you don't have a job, you don't have your family, you don't have like अपने future के लिए कुछ नहीं है. Like you are doing this, you are like like investing your money on the tickets and you are going, and it is like a lot of work also. I mean, I cannot even imagine. Like I have literally seen the airport sightings and everything. And this is not only I'm not only saying about only it happens with the BTS, it happens with other like the band members, like other idols or other groups also. I'm mainly talking about BTS because BTS का मेरे feed में या फिर I research and I'm a fan, so I know about the BTS thing a lot. But even the actors, like the actors, they have also faced a lot of things recently. BTS have started like going and like I think Jimin and Jungkook, they are filming a reality show. It is a season 2. So like people are like following them, like कहाँ जा रहे हैं, and तुम लोग कोई काम नहीं है, seriously, you are that well. I mean, it is so weird. Like हाँ ठीक है, अपने दिमाग में अपने फैंटेसी में you can think हाँ I'll meet him and like he will notice me and stuff, but this is like extreme. Like हाँ ठीक है, मैं भी like I also imagine कि I'll go to South Korea and I'll meet them, या फिर I'll go to their concert or something. But like this kind of obsession, even like members have also said that this is so weird, don't do this. RM has said don't do it. Like they are saying marry me. चलो एक point of time it's fine, but एक point के बाद ना it is very annoying. I can understand. They are humans after all. These people are humans. They have human flaws. They are not perfect. They are like ये जो हम लोग देख रहे हैं, that is a facade. So वो मतलब जो ये ससेंग फैंस है, जो obsessed फैंस है, I don't know, they must be going through some यहाँ का कोई प्रॉब्लम दैट दे थिंक लाइक दिस. दे आर नॉर्मल पीपल. सो हाँ, आज मैं शाहरुख खान से मिल रही हूँ एंड आई विल ऑल्सो बी लाइक आज मैं BTS से मिला, आई विल ऑल्सो बी लाइक दैट, बट नॉट टू दैट एक्सट्रीम वेयर दे विल बी मैरिंग मी एंड डेटिंग. इट्स लाइक सो वियर्ड. सो या आई जस्ट वॉन्टेड टू से दिस बिकॉज मेरे दिमाग में बहुत दिनों से ये चल रहा है, बिकॉज आफ्टर दीज पीपल आर बैक एंड दीज ससेंग्स आर अगेन एक्टिव एंड इट इज वेरी अनोइंग. एज अ फैन, एज अ BTS आर्मी, it is insulting. We posted this this dance reel with a girl, and there is this fan and she has written like you have disappointed us and this and that. कि पागल हो तुमको रियलिटी चेक दे रहे. ये 7 लड़के, they had girlfriends, they have girlfriends, like, and they have done everything. They are like 30, but like they are in their like I think Yoongi, J-Hope, they are in their early 30s, and Jungkook and V and Jimin, I think they are in their late 20s. They are adult people. They have done everything, and they have people, and they have girlfriends, and they have done everything. So don't think that they are like this pure soul and these girls are taking away my idol. तुम अपना इंसल्ट कर रहे हो, तुम अपने खुद को एक मतलब क्लाउन दिखा रहे हो, and you are not a part of the army, to be honest. So yeah, I don't know this video because I just wanted to see it because it is very weird for me. As a fan, it is very weird for me. So do let me know in the comments what are your thoughts. अगर आप army हो, अगर आप army नहीं हो, I would love to know your views on this. And if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.